Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is December 3rd, 2022. Today, family game. 10 questions. Easy game. We are using the Svano vocabulary 8000. Please see our website. Our vocabulary school is open now. Number 1. Jennifer is having lunch with her. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This word means mother. Another word for mother. Mum. She's having lunch with her mum. Number 2. Bob is 7 years old. He's very young. He likes to talk to his grandfather. He likes to talk to his grandfather. Number 3. Jennifer takes her to school every day. This is her son's sister. Slowly, daughter. But quickly, daughter. She takes her daughter to school every day. Jennifer is married. She's got a... This is after a wedding. Her partner is called... The woman is the wife, and the man is the husband. She's married. She's got a husband. Number 5. Does your live in the States? In the States means America. And this is your father's sister or your mother's sister, but it's a woman. Aunt. Does your aunt live in the States? Father's sister or mother's sister, but always a female. Bob is in the park with his... This is a man who is married to Bob's daughter. And the last letter is a W. Son-in-law. Bob's in the park with his son-in-law. His son-in-law is married to Bob's daughter. She is 7 years old. She's very young. She is visiting her... We usually say this one in the plural form with the S. This is grandmother and grandfather together. Grandparents. We almost always use it with S. Jennifer looks like her very much. This is a person. It could be a man or a woman that's related to you. Maybe you have the same grandparents. cousin. Jennifer looks like her cousin very much. Bob just got married. Yay, Bob. Now he has 3. These are new children for Bob from the marriage, but Bob is not the biological father. Stepsons. Now he has 3 stepsons. This means the woman had the sons before, and then she got divorced, I guess, and then married Bob. So now Bob has 3 stepsons, but he's not the biological father. Jennifer's playing tennis with her. This one is always a boy or a man, and it is your sister's son or your brother's son. Nephew. She's playing tennis with her nephew. Game over. How did you do? That's great. Tell me about your family. Are you from a big family? How many sisters and brothers do you have? Do they live with you now? What country do you live in now? What language do you speak at home? Do you work or do you go to school? Very nice. You're doing very well. My name is Vinny. It's time to go. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.